Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ishika.
Ma'am, I'm having a request.
Yes, beta, please tell.
Ma'am, we have not seen you since a long time.
Hmm.
Can you open your camera?
So the condition is everyone has to open that.
Okay, ma'am.
Let everybody come in, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. We were doing geography, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mahim. How are you?
Ma'am, fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sachin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Gaurav.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Harsh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lavlesh. Fine. What exactly we were doing, if you could tell me, class? Class?
Ma'am, we were doing minerals.
Okay, okay. We were on geography chapter 5, right?
Yes,
Mineral
ma'am.
energy resources.
Yes.
Right.
Ma'am, yesterday, ma'am, you were asking ma'am some questions in between the chapter.
Because the topics that we had read and I had explained, I was asking you some questions between
Yes, ma'am.
those
Yes, ma'am.
those what do you call paragraphs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me share the book and then we start with the class. Okay. Can you all see the screen? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. Can you tell me which paragraph we were reading? We were on mining hazards, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Right. Fine. Uh, write down question for this particular topic. Mention hazards of mining. Are you
Ma'am,
right?
please repeat.
Just a second. I am writing. Can you see the board?
Yes.
Write down
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Write down this question which I am writing over here. What are the various hazards of mining?
मैम ये अभी करना है.
बेटा ये लिख लो क्वेश्चंस, करना भी नहीं है बच्चे.
Okay, ma'am.
Is the recording going on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Fine. Fine, fine, fine. See, these are the 3 questions generally which are given from this particular topic, right? Did I note it?
मैम लिख लिया।
Okay. What about others?
I'm done.
I'm done.
Fine. I think, chalo. Can you see now?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Can one of you read this for me? What is it trying to tell? Kartikeya, are you there?
Ma'am, I can read.
Okay, Gaurav.
No, ma'am, Harsh Vardhan.
Okay, read beta.
Jharia to be shifted.
Yes, yes.
Coal fire catastrophe and underground. First, underground fires starts mostly from burning trash to coals pits. Second, fire spreads to coal seams below surface. Ma'am, wait for 2 minutes. Ma'am, I will read from my book, ma'am. I cannot see clearly from this.
Okay, no issue.
And third, unmined coal burns with oxygen drawn from pores and mine shafts. Fourth, coals are at risk not just from the smoldering fires, but the poisonous fumes of carbon monoxide which rise up from the underground fires.
Okay. All right.
All 4 points. Ma'am.
Now, what exactly is this? Can anybody tell? What is being shown on the screen? Gaurav.
Ma'am, it is showing. Can I tell?
Yes, Harsh.
Ma'am, coals are burned in the ma'am coal pits, ma'am. Then ma'am in the surface, ma'am below. Then ma'am मैम उसकी जैसे मैम पॉल्यूशन वगैरह होता है मैम
ठीक है
यही दे रखा है
और वेरी
ऑक्सीजन से मैम वो जलता है
ठीक है और Class, this is really
Ma'am,
not that. You people don't participate.
carbon
Only one person is telling the answer. There are how many students in the class? 14. See, 11 are there in the class. Srishti? Srishti, Mahin, are you people there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, kindly interact. See, these kind of things you need to answer because you may get questions which are value based, which you have not done, but still you may get general questions, right? So what can you analyze from these clippings that are given over here? Srishti, please answer, beta. अजीत, निहारिका,
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ बेटा अजीत, आप इन क्लिपिंग से आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा है बच्चे?
This is coal pits, ma'am.
It is telling about coal pits. Okay, what else?
And this is newspaper clip and showing about news of coal, ma'am.
Okay, what are they trying to divert the attention of the people on? Like these news clippings which are there, what are they trying to tell? What exactly?
Ma'am,
Disaster came and coal were destroyed, ma'am. Then government got lost more than 3 crore, ma'am. That was they were saying, ma'am.
Okay. Ayush, Akshat Sharma, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा अक्षत बताओ इसमें क्या हो रहा है? सॉरी आयुष.
मैम इसमें वो डिसएडवांस वो कोल के बारे में बता रहे कितना हार्मफुल है एनवायरनमेंट के.
हाँ, अक्षत शर्मा, वेरी गुड आयुष. अक्षत शर्मा, can you hear me or shall I remove you? There is no point if you are like a mom, you know, sitting in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी. सृष्टि, सृष्टि, can you hear me? बेटा निहारिका,
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आपको क्या दिख रहा है इसमें? क्या समझ में आ रहा है जो क्लिपिंग्स दी गई हैं इधर?
Ma'am, many people have lost their homes, so Zaria have to shift it, ma'am. That clip is showing that, ma'am.
Okay. What exactly you are able to analyze from these clippings? वो आपको क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं?
ma'am, hazard of mining.
हाँ. They are actually telling you about the hazards of mining, especially coal mines जो हैं आपकी, वो कितनी ज्यादा unsafe हैं for the people working there, उसके बारे में they are telling you. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
उसके बाद आपका एक जगह पे इन्होंने बताया over 50% of the coal belt mines are unsafe. See, through these newspaper clippings, they are trying to highlight, bring out the disadvantages of or the mismanagement that prevails, that is there in these coal mines, right? See, lives of the people is at stake because they don't follow the safety measures. Whatever safety measures are required for the miners to have in the coal mines, the owners which are there, they are not looking into it. Rather, what they are doing, they are risking the lives of, hundreds of people, those who are working there in these coal mines. I hope I am clear.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
अब ये, there is one more question. Why mining is called as a killer industry? Mining को एक killer industry भी कहा जाता है. ऐसा क्यों कहा जाता है? क्योंकि mining में जो
Ma'am,
भी,
because
हाँ, yes, come up. बताओ बेटा.
and because this is underground work, because ma'am, inside the earth we are doing mining, ma'am, then
हाँ,
people
may lose on their lives, right?
life this.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, because it is a process that is beneath, like it is underground, and we all know that underground the oxygen level is not very high. So when in coal mines, there are cases of fires. At that time, many of the people, many of the coal miners, those who are there, they lose their lives. They have to do away with their lives. Reason being, proper safety measures are not followed, and these people are generally not aware of that. What is, like, sometimes, it so happens that the fire takes place, and these people, because they are working on the other side, they don't come across that, and because of the suffocation, these people die. See, one such incident happened somewhere in 80s, I think 70s or 80s, between this time only, and hundreds and hundreds of coal miners, those who were there, they lost their lives, and government had to probe for an inquiry that what exactly was the reason. For several days that fire was there, and people could not be taken out of the coal mines. They were held there only. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Okay, can we have Ajit reading Hazards of Mining?
May I?
बेटा एक मिनट, अजीत को पढ़ने दो बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अजीत पढ़ो बेटा, ये बता रहे हैं हम.
Ma'am,
बेटा I am showing this hazards of mining. Read.
hazards of mining. Have you ever wondered about the efforts the miners make of making life comfortable for you? What are the impacts of mining on the health of miners and the environment? The dust and noxious fumes inhaled by the miners make them vulnerable to pulmonary diseases. The risk of collapsing mine roofs, collapsing mine roofs, inundation, and fires in coal mines are constant threat to miners. The water sources in the region get contaminated due to mining. Dumping of waste and slurry leads to degradation of land, soil, and increases in stream and river pollution.
Hanji. These are the, see the below which is given, these are the hazards of the mining. These are the drawbacks, right? If a question comes that how mining puts an impact on the environment, you can write the third paragraph as it is, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Shallow. Anything in this to be explained? I think yesterday I told you about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, Ajit, continue. Stricter safety. Read from here.
Stricter safety regulations and implementation of environmental laws are essential to prevent mining from becoming a killer industry.
Okay. हाँ, अभी रुको. Now this was all about the minerals. Now talking about the conservation of minerals. Why do you think that conservation of mineral is required? Do we need to conserve minerals?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? We have got abundance of it. Why do we need to conserve it?
Ma'am, for the future generation, ma'am.
It takes millions of years to form.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, it takes millions of the years to form,
Yes.
and ma'am,
Very
if
good.
we will not
Yes.
conserve them, it will not
Then
be
we will-
available for the future
we will not
generation.
able-
We have to sustain it, ma'am. Sustainable development is required for it.
Very good, very good. Yes, Ajit was also saying something similar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, very good. See, we need to conserve these minerals, though we know that they are there in abundance, but still, because these minerals, they take millions of years in renewing itself again. We need to ensure that these minerals which we are using in them in such a way that in a planned manner we are using them, so that we are not, so that these deposits are not over before time, and our future generations, see, if we will exhaust them, if we will use them in such an without planning them, what will happen? These resources will get over, and the future generations that we have, they will not be able to utilize it, and perforce we have to go back to the which era, to the ancient era that was there, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine. So conservation of mineral is needed. It is the need of the time. Reason being, these minerals, they take millions of years in its formation, and if we use them, indiscriminately, we are going to these deposits. They may get over, and we may have to look back, and maybe the future generations are not in a position to use the similar resources. Fine.
Yes.
And
Yes, ma'am.
we all know that these resources, mineral resources that we have, they are not infinite, they are limited, they are non-renewable, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Yes,
They,
ma'am.
though they get renewed, but then it takes lot of time, millions of years, for the minerals to be renewed, right? That
Yes,
is
ma'am. To be renewed.
why we need to conserve these minerals. So can we have Ishika reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Padho beta.
Conservation of minerals. We all appreciate the strong dependence of industry and agriculture upon mineral deposits and the substances manufactured from them. The total volume of workable mineral deposits is an insignificant fraction at 1% of the Earth's crust. We are
That is,
rapidly consuming
we are rapidly consuming.
mineral resources that required millions of years to be created and concentrated. The geological process of the mineral formation are so slow that the rates of replenishment are infinitely small in comparison to the present rates of consumption. Mineral resources are therefore finite and non-renewable. Rich minerals deposits are our country's extremely valuable but short-lived possessions.
Possession. Yes.
Continued extraction of ores leads to increasing costs of minerals. Extraction comes from greater depth along with decrease in quality.
Hanji. Did you understand this last line? Class, did you understand the last line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Can anyone explain me these last three lines? That continued extraction of ores leads to increasing costs as mineral extraction comes from greater depths along with decrease in quality.
I can tell, ma'am.
Yes, Harsh, tell beta.
Ma'am, continued, ma'am, extraction of ores, ma'am, leads to increasing cost as mineral extraction come. Ma'am, as it is, ma'am, ma'am, costly to, ma'am, extract minerals from more depth, ma'am. Because, ma'am, डे बाय डे, मैम जैसे मैम एक्सट्रैक्शन होता जा रहा है तो मैम वो नीचे चले जाते हैं, मैम चल नीचे जा मैम नीचे मिलते हैं, तो मैम उसके लिए मैम और मैम कॉस्ट लगती है, तो मैम वो कॉस्टली हो जाता है थोड़ा.
और फिर क्वालिटी से भी हमें कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि उसकी क्वालिटी भी बहुत फाइन वाली नहीं मिलती है हमें. ठीक है.
यस मैम.
वेरी गुड. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Read. Gaurav. Gaurav, beta read. Beta Gaurav. Gaurav is not there in the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए निहारिका.
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो बेटा.
Our concerted effort has to be made in order to use our mineral resources in a planned and sustainable manner. Improved technologies need to be constantly evolved to allow use of low-grade ores at low costs. Recycling of metals using scrap metals and other substitutes are steps in conserving of mineral resources for the future.
ठीक है. चलिए next energy resources. Can we have Niharika continuing?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Energy resources. Energy is required for all activities. It is needed to cook, to provide light and heat, to propel vehicles, and to drive machinery in industries. Energy can be generated from fuel, minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, and uranium, and from electricity. Energy resources can be classified as conventional and non-conventional resources. Conventional resources include firewood, cattle, dung, cake, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and electricity, both hydel and thermal. Non-conventional sources include solar, wind, tidal, geothermal, biogas, and atomic energy. Firewood and cattle dung cake are most common in rural India. According to one estimate, more than 70% energy requirement in rural households is met by these two. Continuous of these is increasingly becoming difficult due to decreasing forest area. Moreover, using dung cake too is being discouraged because it consumes most valuable manure
Yes, which could?
which could be used in agriculture.
हाँ जी. Now chalo, let us continue reading only. Conventional sources of energy. Can we have Ajit reading? Ajit?
Ma'am, let her read, ma'am. I have problem.
अच्छा ठीक है. Let us have Harsh only reading. Harsh, पढ़ो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Yes, ma'am. Conventional sources of energy.
हाँ. Yes, from
Conventional sources of energy. Coal. In India, coal is the most abundantly available fossil fuel. It provides a substantial part of the nation energy needs. It is used for power generation to supply energy to industries as well as for domestic needs. India is highly dependent on coal for meeting its commercial energy requirements. As you are already aware that coal is formed due to the compression of plants material over million of years. Coal therefore is found in a variety of forms depending on the degree of compression and the depth, and principal lignite reserves are in Navli in Tamil Nadu and are used for generation of electricity. Coal that has been
coal that has been buried.
Coal that has been
Buried deep and subjected to increase.
Times of decaying plants.
क्या हुआ?
I have noted from this time of
हाँ,
burial.
यहाँ से पढ़ लो, टाइम ऑफ
On
बरियल
the
डिकेइंग.
depth and time of burial, decaying plants and swamps produce pits, which has a low carbon and high moisture content and low heating capacity. Lignite is a low-grade brown coal, which is soft with high moisture content. The principal lignite reserves are in Navdi in Tamil Nadu and are used for generation of electricity. Coal that has been buried deep and subjected to increased temperature is bituminous coal. It is the most popular coal in commercial use. Metallurgical coal is high-grade bituminous coal, which has a special value for smelting iron in blast furnaces. Anthracite is the highest quality hard coal in India. Coal occur in rock series of two. Coal occurs in a rock series of two main geological ages, namely Gondwana, a little over 200 million years in age, and in tertiary deposits, which are only
टर्शियरी
about
बेटा, टर्शियरी, टर्शियरी.
tertiary, sorry,
हाँ हाँ, कोई नहीं.
tertiaries, which are only about 55 million year old. The major resources of Gondwana coal, which are metallurgical coal, are located in Damodar Valley, West Bengal.
पढ़ो पढ़ो.
Jharkhand, Jharia, Raniganj, Bokaru are important coal fields. The Godavari, Mahanadi, Son, and Wardha valleys also contain coal deposits. Tertiary coals occurs in the northern eastern state of Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nagaland. Remember, coal is a bulky material which loses weight on use as it is reduced to ash. Hence, heavy industries and thermal power stations are located on or near coal fields.
हाँ जी, हमने पढ़ा था ना मेघालय वगैरह में जो है कोल, टर्शरी कोल मतलब वो वाला कोल जो कि बहुत ज्यादा फाइन क्वालिटी का नहीं होता है. ठीक है, ठीक है बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you are
Yes,
tired,
ma'am.
can we have somebody else reading? Who will volunteer? Srishti Singh, are you there?
Ma'am, may I?
चलो माहीन पढ़ो बेटा.
Petroleum or mineral oil is the next major energy source in India after coal. It provides fuel for heat and lighting, lubricants for machinery, and raw material for a number of manufacturing industries. Petroleum refineries act as a nodal industry for synthetic textile fertilizers and numerous chemical industries. Most of the
Read.
Most of the petroleum occurs in India are associated with anticlines and fault traps in the rock formation of tertiary age. In region of folding anticlines or domes, it occurs when oil is trapped in the crest of unfold. The oil-bearing layer is a porous limestone or sandstone through which oil may flow. The oil is prevented from rising or sinking by inventing non-porous layers.
Porous layers, ठीक है.
Non-porous layers. Petroleum is also found in fault trap between porous and non-porous rocks. Gas being lighter usually occurs above the oil. Mumbai, High, Gujarat, and Assam are also major petroleum production area in India. From the map located the three majors of source field of Western India. Ankleshwar is the most important field of Gujarat. Assam is the oldest oil producing state in India. Digbyo,
Naharkatia and region are the important oil fields. ठीक है, चलिए. नेचुरल गैस हम कल पढ़ेंगे. Tomorrow in the class, what I am going to do is you need to be ready with your notebooks. We'll be doing flowcharts for this chapter. Have we done?
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
We have not done the flowchart, so we'll be doing the flowcharts for this chapter, right? plus some important questions related to the topics I will be giving you. Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Meeting is going to get
I mean,
over.
you,
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
ma'am, ma'am, one chapter is coming ma'am, from each ma'am.
I think two chapters are there. We'll see.